Hey guys, welcome back to another Bitcoin technical analysis video. I will be sharing with you how I made $308 in less than 24 hours trading Bitcoin. And I'm going to also quickly analyze the price of Bitcoin for you guys. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you like to be getting first tips on that, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to stay updated whenever I post the next video. Okay, so let's jump right into the video for today. So first of all, I want to show you guys how exactly I was able to make $308 in less than 24-hour trading Bitcoin. So basically what I did was I shorted Bitcoin, okay? I actually took this trade last night at around 10 p.m. So I entered my trade on this candle here, okay? And when I saw this candle, this candle left a long wick at the top like this. And to me, this was the first sign of rejection. After this nice bullish candle here, I expected that the next candle will also be more bullish, but instead it wasn't that bullish. We got this bearish looking candle. Although the color may not be red, the candle is still looking bearish because of this long wick at the top, right? And I also checked the volume. The volume also decreased after this previous candle here. So to me, that was the first sign of rejection. So what I decided to do was to short Bitcoin, and I shorted Bitcoin when it was like around 30,950. Okay, I shorted Bitcoin from there, and then I put my take profit to be like around $600.50. And the reason why I did that was because this was where the previous support was for Bitcoin. So around 30,500, 30,600. That's where the previous support was for Bitcoin. So I put my take profit there because if the price was to go back down, I knew that it would probably find support there. So I wanted to take my profit there just in case the price bounces back up. So you can see the moment I enter my trade though, the next candle after this actually was a bit bullish. I actually was in a bit of a loss here, but I hold on onto my position, because I still believe that the price was going to crash, and my stop loss here, I put my stop loss to be around 32,000. So if we got an hourly candle close above 32,000, then I was going to close this trade. So I stayed in my position until that happened, but obviously you can see that didn't happen. Bitcoin did not even come near 32,000. Instead, it just came all the way up to 31,750. And from there, it just started crashing back. And Bitcoin finally reached my take profit target of 30,650. It even went below that. It went all the way down to like 20, like what? It went all the way down to 30,126. My take profit was around 30,650. I could have stayed in the trade longer, but I had set the take profit automatically. So when this crash was happening, I was not really looking at the market. I was doing something else. So the exchange just automatically closed the trade for me, and I made $308 USD. This was how easy it was for me to make that money. I basically made that money in my sleep. I was not looking at the market the whole time. All I did was to go on Bybit, which was the exchange that I was trading from. So I went to Bybit. Just for security purposes, I'm showing you this through the Bybit testnet, okay? So basically I opened my trade through using market, and I was using 8.5 leverage, okay? That's the leverage I was using. And then I put the quantity of BTC that I was going to trade with, which was 1 BTC, and this cost me approximately 3,528. Okay, so that's the amount I was trading with. And then I went ahead and opened short. At that time, Bitcoin was at 30,950. I set my take profit, I set my stop loss, and then I just let it be. I go on with my day. It was actually 9 times, so I actually basically went to sleep, you know. And then the next day when I woke up, I checked the market. You know, I was actually in a bit of a loss here, but after a few hours, the price of Bitcoin just started crashing and it hit my take profit target, which is really good for me to see. Anyway, so that was how I was able to make $308 trading Bitcoin. Now onto the Bitcoin analysis for today. Let's see what is happening in the market. So right now, Bitcoin seems to be crashing pretty bad, which is not looking good. You know, yesterday we had this nice pump here, you know, which it almost looked real, but it wasn't that real, okay? Bitcoin has been attempting so many times to just go high, but it just keeps getting rejected. Like anytime it will go up above 30,000, the sellers just come and just keep selling off Bitcoin. Look, we got crash here, crash over here, so many times. Bitcoin has been trying to go up, but it just keeps getting rejected. The price area where it keeps getting rejected the most is like around 32,000. Okay, so right now 32,000 seems to be the major resistance Bitcoin is struggling to break. And then we have the support like around 28,000. Okay, 28,800. This is where the major support is for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has just been bouncing up and down between 28,000 and 32,000. But right now it is falling, and I feel like this might be the crash that brings Bitcoin down to 25,000. Okay, because it doesn't look like Bitcoin is even ready to move up higher. Okay, it just keeps struggling. It keeps struggling to break above 32,000, and you know the volume is decreasing. If we go to the daily time frame here, you'll just see, look at that. We've been having very low trading volume, which hasn't happened in like a long time. So it just so many signs that is showing us that Bitcoin is definitely heading down to 25,000. 25,000 is where the next major support is for Bitcoin. So this is what I am expecting. I am expecting that this current daily candle here that I'm looking at will be the one that brings us to 25,000. If that doesn't happen, then maybe the next one that starts will be the one that brings us to 25,000. Either way, Bitcoin needs to go to 25,000 before it can gain that strength to move higher. So in order for Bitcoin to begin a new uptrend on the daily time frame, Bitcoin needs to close above 32,000. If Bitcoin ends up closing above 32,500, then this will signal the beginning of a new uptrend. Okay, so guys, this is what I am expecting in the price of Bitcoin. How I would be trading this, basically, I am just trading this range here between 28,000 and 32,000. When Bitcoin comes near 28,000, long it from there, and then when it comes near 32,000, short it from there until one of these levels are broken. Okay, so yeah, this is it for the analysis for today. I hope you guys found some value out of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.